Welcome back to EduSmart. It is July 19th and today we are diving into one of the most powerful concepts in finance, compound interest. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. Compound interest is when you earn interest not just on your initial investment, but also on the interest that has already accumulated. For example, if you invest £1,000 at a 10% annual return, after 1 year you have £1,100. But in year 2, you earn 10% on 1,100, not just your original 1,000. That gives you £1,210. Over 20 years, that same £1,000 grows to over £6,700, without adding a single penny more. The key takeaway? Start early. Time is the most powerful factor in compound interest. A person who starts investing at age 25 will have significantly more wealth at retirement than someone who starts at 35, even if they invest the same total amount. This is why financial literacy educators stress the importance of starting early, even with small amounts. The earlier you start, the more time compound interest has to work its magic. Now let's switch gears to artificial intelligence. Today we are looking at neural networks, the building blocks behind modern AI. A neural network is a computer system inspired by the human brain. Just as your brain has billions of neurons that pass signals to each other, a neural network has artificial neurons organized in layers. There are 3 main types of layers: the input layer, which receives data, hidden layers, which process the data, and the output layer, which produces the result. Each connection between neurons has a weight, which determines how important that connection is. During training, the network adjusts these weights by looking at examples. For instance, to teach a network to recognize cats, you show it thousands of cat photos, and it adjusts its weights until it can accurately identify a cat it has never seen before. Neural networks are behind many technologies you use daily, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, to the recommendation systems on Netflix and YouTube, to the language models that power chatbots. Understanding neural networks is becoming essential for students in computer science, data science, and even business. And finally, let us connect these two worlds. Artificial intelligence is transforming finance in remarkable ways. Banks and financial institutions are using AI for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and risk assessment. AI models can analyze millions of transactions in real time to flag suspicious activity, something that would take humans days to do manually. In algorithmic trading, AI systems can execute trades in milliseconds based on market patterns. And robo-advisors are using AI to provide personalized investment advice at a fraction of the cost of traditional financial advisors. For students studying finance or technology, understanding both compound interest and AI is becoming increasingly important. The future of finance is being shaped by machine learning, and those who understand both the financial fundamentals and the technology driving change will be best positioned for success. That is your EduSmart for today. Keep learning, keep growing, and we will see you tomorrow.